You probably already know these videos are made using AI, and it might seem like they take a lot of time and money to create. Maybe you think it requires several different platforms to pull it off. But today I'm going to show you how you can make a full video or animation using just one software at a super affordable price and in the shortest time possible. You'll even be able to make your videos go viral. Creating these kinds of videos usually involves multiple steps: coming up with the idea, writing the script, designing the storyboard, producing the video, editing, adding voiceovers, and music. But the software I'm going to show you today handles all of these steps in one place, so you won't need to jump between different tools or platforms. On top of that, it offers a wide range of useful and creative features that will definitely help you make eye-catching and viral videos. I'm Daniel, an experienced 2D and 3D animator. On this channel, I explore AI tools for content creation, especially in animation, and share my insights with you. So stick around. And if you enjoy this type of content, your likes and subscriptions really help us out. Once you head over to the Wondershare Filmora website, you can download and install the software right from this section. The process is super quick and straightforward, no complications at all. Once it's installed, you can jump right into your project. This is the first screen you'll see. From here, you can easily start a new project and take full advantage of Filmora's awesome features, from generating images, videos, and voices to using tons of professional editing tools. But first, let me show you the AI section. Clicking on the More button will open up a whole bunch of tools, each with its own unique use. So for example, you can generate a complete professional script, use the text to video tool, create music, clone your own voice or someone else's, generate images, and do much more to make your video production faster and better. I've already covered most of these features and tested them in a full video, though a few are brand new. And today, we're going to check out the most powerful one together. The AI Idea to Video tool lets you create a short video or animation just by writing a few simple words. No experience needed. The entire process is handled by AI. You just oversee it and make tweaks wherever you want. You can start by writing a short description of your idea and the main topic of your video. You can use ChatGPT or even Filmora's built-in AI for help. The more detailed you are, the better. But even if you keep it simple, Filmora will do a solid job. After that, you can choose the video duration and your preferred language. You also get to pick whether the video style is realistic or animated. In just a few seconds, a full professional script will be generated and complete with detailed scene descriptions, character notes, and all the necessary settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can click on each scene to edit and customize it however you like, so the project reflects your own style. In the core plot section, you'll see the main visual concept that's going to be created. Under visual, you'll find full scene and background details. You can also edit subtitles and sound effects for the final video from this panel. Every scene can be edited and improved to match your vision. Under the Character tab, you can either upload an image you already have or generate one right there using AI. You can edit the character's description and style too, and you can regenerate the character multiple times and refine the prompt each time to get better results. Now, when it comes to generating the video for each scene, you've got 3 methods to choose from. Image to video. This works with your own images or ones generated directly in the software. You can even generate a full storyboard of all your scenes in one go. Keyframe to video. This method requires you to upload the first and last frames of each scene, allowing the AI to generate smoother and more accurate transitions. Multi-reference to video. Here you can upload up to 3 images and Filmora will use them along with your scene prompt to generate the video. I personally prefer the image to video method, and I've fine-tuned the results enough times to get the best possible output. In the settings section, you can choose whether you want your video to include subtitles, sound effects, and transitions. As you'll see, there are plenty of voiceover options available too.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
You can even adjust the aspect ratio of your video. Once you're done with this step, the storyboards are turned into full videos, and at the same time, sound effects, voiceover, and transitions are added automatically. The final project is then loaded into Filmora's professional video editor, where everything is fully editable and customizable.
Lila walks through the empty playground, remembering the laughter that used to echo here. She stands among the ruined buildings, feeling the weight of the city's collapse. In a silent alley, Lila reflects on the family she lost. She finds a blooming flower, a rare sight that gives her hope.
All the files generated by the AI are located on the left side of the screen, and you can edit or regenerate them however you like. You can also view all the project files on the timeline and customize them to your preference. For example, increase the volume of the voiceover or lower the sound effects. You'll have everything you need to finalize your video just the way you want. You can adjust scene timing, tweak transitions, generate custom music using AI, or pick something from Filmora's music library. There's also a super handy text-to-speech tool included, and in the stock media section, you can generate new images and turn them into videos to extend your overall video length. Plus, Filmora has some really cool viral AI templates. Here you can see a few of them. The character-to-video feature is another one I personally love. It lets you place yourself or any character into different scenarios to create short videos. Basically, all the tools you need to create and edit professional level videos are right here. I'd say Filmora is one of the most complete video editing softwares out there, and it's packed with powerful AI features. It can handle the entire video production process from start to finish, and you won't need to rely on any other platform. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, stay creative.